Hello student, today we are going to learn difference between closed system and open system, or difference between control mass and control volume. Left column for closed system, right column for open system. For closed system, number 1, it is also called a non-flow system or control mass. Matter does not cross the boundary of a control mass. In open system, it is also called a flow system or control volume. Here, matter continuously flow in and out of the control volume. Okay. Number 2, for closed system, a certain quantity of matter is considered for study. Thus, a closed system has a control mass. Okay. Number 2, for open system, a certain region is considered for study. This region is called control volume. Okay. Number 3, for closed system, here no mass can cross the boundary, while energy can enter or leave the boundary of the system. In closed system, it is a thermodynamic system where energy can be exchanged with its surrounding but no matter. Okay. Number 3, for open system, mass as well as energy can enter or leave the boundary of the system. In open system is a thermodynamic system where energy and matter can be exchanged with its surrounding. Okay. Number 4, for closed system, mass of the system is constant. Number 4, for open system, mass of the system will vary with time. Okay. Example number 5, for closed system. Example of a closed system are pressure cooker and refrigerator. Number 5, for open system, Example of an open system are internal combustion engine, air compressor and gas turbine, etc. Okay, it is clear, my student. Thank you.